This video shows you how to use FastMaint's fast feedback function. This is great if you have several work orders that you need to close or update. Though this example is done with the web edition, the interface and steps for standard and professional editions are similar. On the Tools tab in the main home page, click on Fast Feedback. Here we select the current month. You can also choose a specific period. We choose Pending Work Orders, meaning those that are still open in this period. We can also restrict work orders for specific categories, equipment, and so on. Here we go to the People tab and click Change to select People. Select Jack Smith from the list and save your changes. Click OK to run fast feedback. We see a list of pending work orders in the current month for Jack Smith. Check off the work orders that are completed. Click on the Save button. In the pop-up that comes up, you can enter some feedback that will be added to all the work orders that you just selected. Click on OK to complete this update. You can continue updating and closing the listed work orders. Once done, click on Quit. You can enter additional feedback criteria and search again if you wish.